to launch on 29th October. This phone have amazing and mind-blowing features. First of all, let's talk about the specification. First of all, the display of this phone is 6.4 inches 19:9 AMOLED HD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. With a beautiful water drop notch with front camera at the center, the display is outstanding of this phone. And for protection, you will get Gorilla Glass 6. For its processor is concerned, this phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with octa-core processor, which is quite latest processor that will give cell massive speed and excellent performance. And for GPU, you will get Adreno 630. As far as RAM and storage of this phone is concerned, you will get 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage with SD card slot. For the camera of OnePlus 6T, you will get two rear cameras at back vertically mounted with LED flash. Dual rear cameras are 20MP plus 12MP, which is capable of taking beautiful HD portraits and HD 1080p videos. And at the front of the phone you will get a water drop notch, and at the center of the water drop notch there is 25 megapixel camera, which is the crucial beauty of this phone. OnePlus 6T sports a 3700 mAh battery, which will give OnePlus extended period of battery timing. OnePlus well known for its dash charging, which will quick charge the phone. The slot for charging USB Type-C at the bottom. You will get in-display fingerprint sensor for security in OnePlus 6T, which is latest technology in smartphone array. Some of the extra features of this beast is that it supports dual SIM setup. There will be no headphone jack in OnePlus 6T, which is a serious crime with smartphones. This phone supports a fast dash charging as I described before. These were the specification of OnePlus 6T. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Peace.